Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa nu'minu bihi wa natawakkalu alayh wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina man yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa man yudlil fala hadiya lahu wa nashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa nashhadu anna sayyidana wa maulana Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون صدق الله العظيم ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Our topic for today's conversation is verse number 21 of Surah Ya-Sin, in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning, is giving an order or giving a teaching to all of us that we should follow. It says, ittabi'u malla yas'alukum ajran wa hum muhtadun, that we should follow or we should take the guidance from the people who are not seeking any worldly benefit or any financial benefit or any compensation from you. And also they should be on the right path. So you should follow the people who are rightly guided by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and who are not asking any compensation, any donation or any remuneration for their services. The purpose is that why the world is the way it is, that people who are in politics and are in religion, or they call themselves that they are the leaders of politics or religion, or they are our politicians and they are our religious leaders, but in actuality they are in this game for their own business, for their own worldly benefit. They're treating it as a profession. This is not a profession where you can earn the bread and butter for your family. This is not a profession that you make money and tons of palaces and big cars and all these luxury lifestyles. This is a profession where you serve the humanity. Politician job is to serve the humanity. Religious leader job is to serve the humanity. They are not for few dollars. Doesn't matter, a few dollars is millions of dollars or billions of dollars. In the reward that they will get if they do the right service of humanity, the reward that they will get from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is bigger than this whole entire world's wealth, is bigger than anything, because they are serving humanity. They're serving their own people, because the people need guidance, people need leadership, people need justice, people need a social system. Our religion gave us the complete political system, complete social system, complete economic system. If there is political justice, there is social justice, there is economic justice in the society, this world will be, if not less, at least it will be similar to paradise. Because when you will love each other, when you will take care of each other, when you will keep other person's rights over your rights, you will hold your duties, you will take care of your duties and responsibilities, and you will forgive your rights, you will let go your own rights, but take care of others, fulfill their duties and responsibilities, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you for that. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has promised for such people residential gardens. Their palaces will be in paradise. And they say there's more than hundreds of levels of paradise. So if the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you the highest level of paradise, you know, my request to all of you, these worldly things, these worldly benefits are not enough. They are only for this 70, 80, 100 years life. What will you do? You leave some money for your children. You will leave some money for your siblings. You will leave some money for your family. But who will answer all the questions in your grave? Who will answer all the questions on the day of judgment? Who will be suffering in the hellfire? That will be you. But on the other hand, if you fulfill the duty the way it's supposed to be, you deliver the message of God in the right way without any mistakes as per your capacity. We all are humans, we can make mistakes, but that should not be intentional. That should not be for money. In older traditions in older nations, people who were in charge of the religion, they used to alter the verses of the religious scriptures to their own and used to tell people this is the verse from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There's many alteration made in previous holy scriptures, and that's the reason the world is the way it is today. That, people altered it to benefit the powerful. People altered it to benefit the leaders and tribal heads of the society. People made alterations by taking some dollars on the side and told normal people something different, which was not God's order, and told normal people their own thing and mentioned it and related it towards God, that this is the saying of God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They lied over God. So it's our job to verify who is our leader, who is our political leader, who is our religious leader, and is he guiding us towards the right path, or he is guiding us towards the path of his own, which benefit him, which benefit him in this world. He should not be worried about this world. Yes, he will not make a good living in this world. He might not have proper funds to fund his own family. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bless him in this world also and the next world also. So my request to all the political leaders and all the religious leaders, follow the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Don't do this job for remuneration, for compensation, for donations, to get your own business contracts approved in the government, to seek power over people, to rule people so you can mistreat them. It's a big responsibility on your shoulders. And if you will fulfill that responsibility, you will be ahead of all. But if you will not fulfill that responsibility up to your capacity, and your intentions should be good, if you do not do it with the right intention, you will be suffering in the world after. Maybe in this world you will enjoy for 70, 80, 100 years, but who will take your punishment in hellfire? Who will be burnt in the hellfire? Who will be tortured in the hellfire? Who will be suffering? Not your kids, not your family, not your, companions. People who are telling you to do wrong things are not your friends. People who are telling you to do the right things are your friends. So read religious scriptures and identify your responsibility. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed you with power and with knowledge and authority over people. So people believe in you. People think whatever you say is right. So you definitely say it right. You do not mistreat people. You do not cheat people because they have confidence on you. Do not break their trust. Do not lead them to hellfire, because you are the one who will help them also in this exam to lead to paradise, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you extra rewards for doing it. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.